In today's video, guys, we are going to be adding more money to our 1 month ahead binder, and we are going to fully fund a category. If this is content you're interested, please stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, we have two things going on today. We are definitely going to work on fully funding this binder here, if I can get it closed for a second. But I have some special happy mail that I want to share with you guys. This mail is from Jen on a budget. She reached out to me and I said, of course, you can send me some happy mail. She is such a sweetheart. Guys, if you do not follow her, please be sure to follow her. Oh, look how cute. Oops. We've got goodies. Let me see. And guys, this is from Jen on a budget. I'm going to list her because I want you guys all to go follow her. Show her some love. Her content is absolutely wonderful and very inspiring. So here's her message. It says, hi, Maria. Hope you and your family are doing well. Just wanted to send you a little happy mail of these scratch-off savings challenges that I made. It also has a built-in envelope. Awesome. This is my way of saying thank you for always supporting me and my channel. You're such a kind soul. Jen on a budget. P.S. This is a spring and Easter challenge. I know it's early, but better to start saving early. And it says, Happy Easter. Well, Jen, it is right on time. It is not early. Well, when you send it out. I did get this mail last week. I believe it was either Friday or Saturday that it arrived. And unfortunately, I am just now getting to it. So I do apologize. I cannot wait to use it. And look how pretty it is, guys. Living life in full bloom. Oh, is this a scratch and save 100? Everybody needs somebody. How cute. And look at the scratchers. Oh my goodness, this one is shaped like a flower, and this one here is shaped like a bunny. Jen, these are so cute, and look, just like she said, it's a built-in envelope. These are so well made, and I actually have, give me a second, guys. All right, I am back. I wanted to pull this out because I just finished a challenge on here. Let's see. Oh, I owe that one $48. I forget, I think it was a Norelli's challenge, I think. So what I'm going to do is add these two. I'm going to add both of them here, but I'm only going to be working on one at a time. But I'm going to put them here. So just like that, I have a challenge to replace the one that I took out. And it fits in perfectly. It is so pretty. Jen, thank you so much for thinking of me. I have seen a few creators who have posted the challenges that you sent them, and I thought they were absolutely beautiful, and I was so excited to get mine. I want to once again thank you for thinking of me, because there's a lot of people out here, and I know you have a lot of supporters, and the fact that you thought of me, it makes me feel special. So again, I appreciate it, Jen. Alrighty, guys, we are going to get started with fully funding one of my categories, and then we are going to continue to put money into the other envelopes. We have $80 today, guys, so that's 40, 50, 60, 70, and 2 5s is 80. Now we are going to start with our water. We've got $50. We need $75 to fully fund this category, so we are going to grab a 20 and a 5. Let me put 2 10s here and grab another 20. Alrighty, guys, so we should now have $75, and our water is fully funded. Now, for those of you who are new here, let me just go through it really fast. This is my second month ahead that I'm trying to fund. The first one, I started with putting $20 in the first envelope and then $5 into each additional envelope until the first one was fully funded. Once it's fully funded, I add the 20 plus the 5 that went in here into electric until that's fully funded. And then again, I continue the process until I get to my biggest one, which is the mortgage. I start with the lowest. It makes it go by faster. Now, this time around, I decided to bring up the numbers a little. So I started with $50. Now my water bill on average is $75. So I only need $75 to fully fund it. So the the additional $25 that would normally go in here is good. And I got a phone call. It never fails. But I am back. I think I was saying that I should have $75 here. 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. Yes, indeed. And that is the amount that I need to fully fund this category. So that quick, guys, my water bill is fully funded. Now, of course, I started with $50, so that's why it happened so fast. But guess what happens now? The $25 remaining plus the $5 that normally would go into the electric is going in here today, which means we will now have $30. So we're going to put 10, 20, 5 plus 5 is $30. I'm sorry. So it's 25, 5 is 30, and we have 5 here. So not bad. All right. So into gas, we are going to be putting $5. You know what? I'm going to take out a 5 and put in the other 5. I'm sorry. I'm going to take out the 5 and put in a 10. Cell phone is going to be receiving $5, but we're going to do the same thing. We're going to swap out a 5. Car insurance will be getting $5. Subscriptions will be getting $5. And my mortgage will be getting $5. And that is it, guys. It is truly, ooh, I don't want to burn my binder. It is truly that simple, guys. And you don't have to start with $50. You don't have to start with $20. You can start with $10, $5. Listen, if you put $5 in your first one and then $1 or $2 in each additional one, each dollar saved gets you closer to your goal. Again, each dollar saved gets you closer to your goal. So don't ever think that you're not saving enough. It's not happening quick enough. Because one thing I did do the last time around with my month ahead, with my first month ahead, was that if I had extra money, I would just put it in here. And that helped me get it done a lot quicker. So stay encouraged, guys. Stay focused and, be consistent. And as long as you follow that, you remain focused, consistent, you will get it done. And stay encouraged. Do not let yourself feel like it's taking too long. You can't do it. If you have to skip a week, if you have to skip a month because life is happening, guess what? You go ahead and skip it. And finally, if for whatever reason you have to empty your envelopes, that's okay. Because we all know that life can be a roller coaster sometimes. So if that happens with any of your binders, guys, just dust yourself off and try again. Do not give up. If you need to take time off, you go right ahead and take time off. But do not give up, okay? The reason you're here is because you're trying to either become debt free, save money for the future, buy a house or car, save for your kids, save for a trip. Something brought you here to this community. And the one thing I can say to you all today is no matter what, do not give up. We encourage you to keep doing what you're doing so that you too can meet your goals. I'm here to support all of you and again, offer encouragement whenever I can. So stay motivated, guys. Be blessed, and we will be chatting soon.